I literally cannot watch that video. I swear I can't watch it. The snoring part was so embarrassing, I almost had to turn my volume down.